Hi, this is Noah DeBolt. Welcome to my YouTube channel, DeBoltDrumming. This one has been asked for a ton of times, like a lot of times. So some backstory, this fill was made by me. I just wrote it at home when I was practicing for the set because I knew that the music director, the MD, was going to call on me to play a solo right there because he had done it the week before and I had played a fill. It just wasn't, it was a similar idea. It had a lot less movement to it, a lot less spark and flair and all the things. This fill is so much fun. So many people have requested it, and I'm so glad to be able to dig into it today with you guys. So let's check it out. So the sticking is just alternate sticking, which all alternate sticking means is you're going to be swapping between right, left, right, left. You're just going in between your right hand and your left hand the whole time. You're not doing two rights in a row. You're not doing two lefts in a row. It's just right, left, right, left. If you're left-handed, left, right, left, right. The sticking for the pattern is right, left, kick, kick, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Oh. How many right lefts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Dun, dun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. So the sticking is right, left, kick, kick. Right, left, right, left, right, kick, kick. Flam, right, left. So here's what it sounds like really slowed down here. Now here's what it sounds like sped up just a little bit more. Now here's what it sounds like sped up even a little bit more. Here's what it sounds like sped up a bit more. And here's the full tempo one right here. I really like this fill because of the fluidity and the musicality that it has. It kind of has a melody to it. It has a tone to it. It has a movement to it, you know? It's not just a static it has like a movement. It has a or more like just for fun, I'm gonna try and see if it works in any other musical context. Let's try jazz. Now I have like a songo Latin beat. Let's see what that sounds like. Even just a standard rock beat. Let's see how it sounds there too. It's not too bad, right? It can be a very musical fill if used in the right context, which I really want to stress. Use this in the right context. Make a conscious decision when you want to use it, where you want to use it, and how you want to use it. Now, I realize that this fill will not work in every context. Please do not try this every Sunday in every song. Be a musician. If I can say anything to you, it's be more than a drummer, because drummers feel not very musical. They don't make actual intentions on I'm going to play this here because of the weight it holds musically. I want to encourage you to be a musician, not be a drummer. You get a chance to be a musician with this fill because you get to choose as to when it's appropriate to use this fill and when it's not appropriate to use this fill. So choose wisely. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm Noah DeBolt. This is DeBoltDrumming. This is my channel. So happy to have dug into this drum fill with you guys. I'll see you next time. Subscribe, like, do all the things, comment, everything. One last thing, I have a website, DeBoltDrumming.com. You can sign up for online lessons. The first one is free. I'll teach a drum lesson through Skype. I have audio. It'll sound really great. We can dig into whatever you want to learn, so I'd love to do that for you. Again, go to the website, DeBoltDrumming.com, and sign up there. Thanks.